Alright students, good evening. This is your second video. Remember in the previous video I had told you about that we're going to pick up letter for inquiry. So here we have a question. Simi, a student of class 12 and resident of 12 Commissioner Lane, New Delhi, wants to be a choreographer. She writes to the National Institute of Choreography, Mumbai, seeking information about their course, admission procedure, eligibility criteria and other necessary details. Now, what important details that we have from the question? Remember, reading the question is very important. You have reading time given to you in the board examination as well. So which means this is to emphasize on reading the question very nicely, okay, meticulously. Have a look. Who is going to write the letter? Simi. So you have this person's name here, Simi. Who is she? She's a student. Okay. Then she is already in class 12. Then resident of, so you got the sender's address. Then wants to be a choreographer. So you've got to know her aspiration. Then after that you've come to know from the question that she writes a letter to National Institute of Choreography. So receiver's address you're getting here, Mumbai. And what is the purpose? To seek information about their course. And there in the question you have two value points. Remember, always in board examination, see, this is, I know that I am addressing class 11 students, but then I always I always present my class, my content, keeping in mind that these students who are now in class 11, they're going to appear for class 12 board examination. So all my entire preparation, my entire focus is on how to get marks here in 11, how to get marks there in class 12 board examination. And also apart from that, examination is not the only criteria for you to be evaluated, for your skills to be evaluated. It's the way how you present yourself in the examination, and for that you have to build on right from the foundation. Your skills should be very much strong at the foundation. So that's what I aim at in my videos here. Okay? Now you've got the purpose. So this purpose is seeking information about their course. So obviously she wants to be a choreographer, so she's asking about a course in choreography. Okay, and then you've given two value points. You always in the question you're going to have value points, and in this question you have two value points with you: admission procedure, eligibility criteria. Now this is not just the point where you have to stick to. You have to move ahead from these two value points, because these are just two hints given to you to solve your problem, to make it easy for you. All right. Now next is quickly look at the format, because first thing first in the letter is a format. How to go about the format. So here you have the format. Have a look. Yeah, this is the format for you. How you begin. Sender's address. So I've written these pointers for you, suggestions for you, on the other side of the margin, so that you can understand that your details will not dance. They're going to be aligned with the margin, one after the other, or you can say one above the other, whichever way you want to say. So you have the sender's address, okay. Then you have date. In between you want to leave a line. Then after date again you leave a line, and you have receiver's address. Now in the receiver's address has to be in 3 lines. Why am I saying 3 lines? Because 2 lines is the address, whatever the address you have, National Institute of Choreography. But then in that institute, who is going to pick up that letter? To whom is this letter addressed? So you have to mention the designation first. The director, in case of a hospital, the senior resident, senior resident doctor, or you can say in case of the institution you can also write the dean. In case some office is there, the senior executive. So you have to mention to whom is this letter addressed. This is very important. Students often forget this. So please mention this as very important part of it. I'm putting a star here because often students forget about this. Then you have the 2 lines address for you. In total it's 3 lines. Then you have then you again leave a line, and then you write the subject. Now how do you pick up the subject? Look at the question again. The question says she writes to the National Institute of Choreography, Mumbai, seeking information about their course. So you've got the subject right here from the question. Seeking information about, instead of writing their course, write course, or you can say course in choreography or choreography course. Both are correct. Okay.